In this short video, I am separating RGB image into the three layer red, green and blue, and then I generate empty image and I will merge these three layers on the empty image. So first of all, I am importing here NumPy library and then OpenCV library, and then I am reading here my image, which actually is lena.jpg. So very easy to split image, just write cv.split cv.split. So actually we read RGB image, but the layer actually are mounted first blue, then green and then red. For that reason I have used first blue variable, then green, then red variable. Now I am generating an input image very easy through NumPy. Zeros np dot 0. I'm considering here just okay, np dot unsigned integer 8. So very easy, I have generated I have generated an image whose shape equal to this my original image, but I'm here only considering width and height, and image data type actually unsigned integer 8. So now I just need to merge image cv dot merge, and then I say first blue zeros, and then for green I say cv dot merge. Oh, easy, zeros, then second layer is green and zeros. For red, same method, I say cv dot merge and I say zeros, and then red. Okay, now we want to see our result, such as I want to see first of all my original image, which actually this. Then I want to see my empty image, this actually this is zeros, and I am copying basically this code. Now I want to see my red, okay, my blue first of all, and I say which is blue, and red key I want to say red, okay, not red but green. So here is, oh sorry, here is green, and now red key, and now I want to see my image red. Here is red. Oh. So just destroy all Windows key, and we are going to run. So this actually is the original of our image, and this is an empty image which we have generated through zeros. This is we have separated blue layer from this RGB image. This actually is a green layer we have separated from this image, original image, and then we have merged this in empty image, and this our final red layer. Thanks.